So, in the last lecture, we saw how to set up the virtual box and the CloudEra for the big data analytics. In this lecture, we will look the very basics, some terminal commands for the Hadoop file system, like to copy files from the local system to the Hadoop file system and vice versa, and other basic commands that we use. So let's get started. First of all, we will need a file so that we can like move or work on. So I'll paste the link of the file in the description. Let's download the file. So here's one file that I've looked up. I'll just save this file. This is how you save the file. So save page, and let's save it with big.txt name. So now this file is like in the local system, and we will perform few basic operations through the terminal on this file. Okay, let's see. Open the terminal. Let's first change the directory to the downloads where we have just downloaded the files, and let's see if the file is downloaded successfully or not. ls is for like list, and I hope you know cd downloads like change the directory to the downloads, and ls is for list, list all the files. So here it is, big.txt, the file that we just downloaded. The download was successful. Now what we will do, we will copy this file from the local system to the Hadoop file system. So the syntax or the command for copying the file from the local system to the Hadoop system is, first we will mention the Hadoop file system, that is Hadoop FS, followed by a hyphen, and after that it is like a copy from local and whatever the file name is, like bit.txt was the file name. So this is the command for the copying the file. Please notice that it is camel casing here. F is capital, L is capital. So don't make these mistakes. And you press enter. The file will be copied from the local file system to the Hadoop file system. You can verify it. There is like Hadoop FS list, which this command will list all the files that are in Hadoop file system. So once you press enter, we will see all the files that are present in the Hadoop file system. So let's see if the file is copied successfully or not. Yeah, you can see found one item, big.txt. That means our file is successfully copied from the local file system to the Hadoop file system. Okay, we can like copy the file system within the Hadoop file system, like copy the file within the Hadoop file system. For example, like we have this file Hadoop FS. Okay, this is the basic first thing that you have to write if you have to make changes in the Hadoop file system. Hadoop FS is the must. After that, ls is for list the files, copy from local list to copy the file from the local to the Hadoop file system. And the other is if you want to like copy within the Hadoop file system. If I want to copy big.txt, we want to make a copy of this file. So what we do, cp is for copy, and we want to copy big.txt. And what is the name of the file that we want, like the copy name? So let's say big2.txt is the name of the file that we will get. So you press enter, and the copy, yeah, the file will be copied. Let's see. The file is copied. We can verify it using the list command. Okay, so let's see. Okay, you can see now found two items. Before when we called this command, it was found one items, which was big.txt. After that, we copied cp big test to big2.txt, and now it is we found two items, which is big test, big2.txt. So that means the copy is successful. And we can even copy from Hadoop file system to the local system, like Hadoop FS. It is copy to local, okay? And whichever file you want to copy, like I want to copy big2.txt to the local. So I'll do this, and the file from the Hadoop file system will be copied to the local file system. Okay, we can even verify it by using ls. Like local system is for to list the files of the local system is ls, and to list the files of the Hadoop file system is Hadoop fs hyphen ls. Okay, so you can see now here big2.txt and big.txt. Before we had just big.txt. That means the copy is successful. Okay, we can even delete the file from the Hadoop file system. Delete, you can say remove rm. Rm is for the remove operation, and whichever file you want to remove. I want to remove big2.txt, let's say. So Hadoop fs hyphen rm is for remove, and whichever file you want to remove, you can just click enter after that, and the file big2.txt will be removed from the Hadoop file system. So you can see here deleted big2.txt. Uh, Time taken is 0 minutes, and this is the information about the file that got deleted, the time taken to delete and to empty the file. Okay, this is the time. So now you can verify it, Hadoop fs ls, if the file is successfully deleted or not. You can list the files and you can see. Uh, Okay, see, found one items. Only big.txt. That means big2.txt is deleted. Okay, so these were the few commands that we will need in the later lectures when we will perform hands-on. In the next video, we will do some experiments. There's few examples that are inbuilt in Hadoop file system, like word count problem. So we will do the word count problem in the next video. Stay tuned. Thank you. Do not forget to like and share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.